In this video, you are going to see how to share Google Drive files to anyone very easily. Let's get started. Here I am in the Google Drive and I have clicked on my drive, and here I have the files. If I want to share a file with anyone, suppose I want to share this one, click on it, then click on right button, go to share, and again click on share. Now I can write the email over here, and there is another option. If I write the email over here, he will get the access. There is another option. Go to this option, general access. Click on anyone with the link. If you want to make it viewer or commenter or editor, then you have to choose it from here. Let us choose viewer. He only view the file and he can download. Let us copy the link. Then you can give this link to anyone. He will view your file very easily. Even he can download. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.